Hey you guys, welcome back to Chic. Today I'm going to show you an awesome tutorial on how you can schedule ahead of time your YouTube videos going live, not just uploading them, not just scheduling them inside YouTube, but making them go live as a live streamed video on your YouTube, your Facebook, or anywhere else. The first thing is you're going to want to get restream.io. Then you're going to connect all the channels you want to connect, whether it's Periscope, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. You can do Facebook channels, Facebook groups, anything you choose. You're going to set them up first, and you're going to have them in here, and then you're going to turn them on when you're ready to go live to them. So you're going to have them selected on or whatever, whichever ones you're turning on, right? You turn them on, and then you're going to go into Scheduler. Inside Scheduler, you're going to stream recorded videos live right out of Restream. And they're going to allow you to do 2 of these. You can upload 2 of these and have them ready at any time. The way you do it is, first you upload a video in Videos. I've got one uploaded right here. And then after, you can upload a new one if you want to. You can hold 2 for free on the free account for Restream. Or if you want to pay for an account that's more, you can put up to 10 like I've got. Then you click Events. Go over here and click Schedule Event. You put the video in here. So you want to click from the drop down one of the videos you've got in your account. You'll name it My Live Video, and then you're going to just schedule it. You can schedule it for whatever day in the future. I'm going to put on the 26th at 8:56 p.m. I'm going to make sure all my advanced settings or whatever, everything's toggled, so it's going to be a live video to all these places. You can set it up to repeat. You can have it repeat every day or something if you want to, 10 times every week, whatever. You can choose the time. It's so amazing, and then all you have to do is click Schedule Event. And then guess what? It's going to drop in here, and you know what's going to happen? It's going to go live on all of these at your scheduled time. Here's what's awesome about that. This video is going to go live to your feeds. It's going to go live to your live feed if you've got your live feed set up in here from your settings. If you've got a live stream and a widget on your website, your folks who are watching from there are going to be able to see this thing go live when it goes live. They're going to be able to follow it, get notified. You guys, can you believe how amazing this is? All by simply clicking Scheduler, uploading a video, scheduling it, and attaching your account. So I can have it go live into all these different places. And that's really just it. Now, if you want to see any of my other videos on how to connect Zoom to, Restream and push live video out to a bunch of different places at the same time, or if you want to look at any of my other ones, please look at all the ones I got on this channel. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ask for more tutorials. That's where this came from. Someone asked for it, and I did it. You guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic.